Today is a fantastic day. Today is the start of a new era of the Integra. Kind of. Is it really? I don't know, but it should be a great time. What is up, everybody? Today is the day. We have an exciting mod for the Integra today. I have some exciting news to share with you guys, man. As you can read the title, I'm gonna just rip the band-aid off. I have partnered up with Corbeau for the Integra for 2025. We are going to be swapping in brand new seats, brand new harnesses. Oh man, it's been a long time coming, but we're finally here. So thankful to be working with Corbeau on this. You're probably saying to yourself, what?
Zosh, not having a Sparko seat?
Correct. Things change, brother. Things change. And you're probably wondering, but why Corbeau? Do you not know the rich history of Corbeau? It's alright, I'm finna school you.
Corbeau USA, founded in 1963, was the first company to earn FIA approval for aftermarket racing seats, a major milestone that solidified their place in motorsport history. From grassroots racing to professional motorsport, Corbeau seats have been trusted in rally, circuit, drag, and off-road competition for decades. Headquartered in Bluffdale, Utah, they offer fixed back, reclining, suspension, and bench seats, plus custom brackets for nearly any vehicle. Today, Corbeau continues to serve racers and enthusiasts alike, even expanding into gaming and office seating, all with the same commitment to safety, comfort, and performance.
Now it is time to pull the old girl out of the garage and get to breaking this box down and getting to work. I'm so stoked, bro. Finally. Even though they're still in the packaging, this looks really good. Very promising. So, taking a closer look inside of the interior of Christina, she's pretty much basic. Got some P2M floor mats, no passenger seat, so I can't have like any ride-alongs, friends or family. Can't do anything. And it's been like that for a long time now. So now I'm finally able to have both driver and passenger seat both being updated, because this seat right here is hell outdated. Now I've been teasing without showing y'all the full picture. Don't you just hate when that happens? So, without further ado, let me introduce you to the FX1 Pro by Corbeau, baby. Now I hope you see why I went with Corbeau and I opted for the FX1 Pro model seat. Looks so good, bro. Oh my goodness. Fire. Let's just go ahead and get, oh my, I can't even finish this. So first order of business, we have to remove the harness from the seat so we can just go ahead and start the removal of the seat and the seat bracket. Honestly, I could probably just get away with just removing the 4 Allen heads to remove the seat from the bracket itself and then prop in the new seat. Or I could just remove everything one hands, vacuum, clean up. That's what we're gonna do. You can kind of get a side-by-side comparison. Like this, strictly pretty much racing seat. This looks a bit more streetable in my opinion. Looks more comfortable in my opinion. More cushion here for your bottom. Yeah, I think this was a very, very much needed upgrade. Sparko, I'm gonna miss you, buddy. You've done me well. But you gotta pass the torch to Corbeau, baby. Cause these right here, oh my God, bro. I wanna sit in them right now, but it's not recommended to sit in seats that are just on hard surfaces without being bolstered into like a seat bracket or stuff, because you can crack the frame. And not saying that would happen. Y'all calling me fat? I'm gonna go ahead, swap over rails, and I get to finally utilize my passenger PCI seat rail. Matching seats with matching rails. Look at that. Oh, crusty, crusty. Okay, so got both seats in. Now it is time for the belt. Now, I didn't film much portion of installing the seats because, well, it was kind of fighting me on certain things. By fighting me, it was the way my PCI brackets were mounted to my Sparko, and I had it to fit that seat, so then I had to widen it a little bit, because these are a bit wider than the Sparko. So that took about like an hour for both sides. So now it is time to do the belts. Now, I think how I'm gonna do the belts is how I had my old harnesses. You could mount this to the back, like how the picture on the screen demonstrates, but I think I am going to mount it like this, like how the picture on the screen demonstrates. So it should look something like this. That's pretty nice. That is pretty nice. The seats are in and it looks amazing. Now, how does it fit and feel? Well, I mean, oh my gosh, dude. When I just sat in, I'm so used to sitting in the Sparko with the upper not bracing, what's it called? Oh my gosh. Is it bracing? I guess so, with the upper bracing of the seat. This is way more easy, more comfy, more streetable. This is seriously streetable. Oh, this feels good. I feel like I sit a bit high though. Get in my driving position. Oh, it rubs the door. Like the Spark. It's just the way my seat mounts are. But, I mean, it did it with the Integra. I mean, it did it with the Sparko. It is what it is. But, I don't know. I mean, I guess it feels good. Oh no, I don't sit a little higher. I feel like I sit the same, but it's more comfy. This seems way more comfortable. But there's only one true way to really find out. Yeah, seat's perfect. The seat is perfect. Feels great. No complaints. I like my seating position, my posture. Everything feels great. do a pull to make sure that I was, you know what I mean? But yeah, we're good. Corbeau for the win, baby. Corbeau for the win. So much more comfortable, bro. Feels like I got back support too, which is crazy. It's not bad. And for the price point, bro, sub $500 seat? Yeah. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. These a long time ago, honestly. These feel amazing, dude. These feel great, bro. Fire. Fire. Man, this feels good. This seating position right here feels perfect. And it even gives me like a little bump, like on this part right here. It elevates my, quad, my hamstring. And it gives me more of like a bounce, if that makes sense on the clutch pedal. I like it. I really like it. What do you think? You digging the new Corbeau seats? You digging the new interior on the Integra? Personally, I'm a big fan, but there's only one critic that I have to see if they approve. Let's find out. See what Mr. Sir Randall Hamilton thinks about my new Corbeau seat.
Kind of comfy.
Hey, nice, ain't it though, bruh? Pretty comfy. You can't beat it, bruh. Sub $500 seats. They're like $4.
Here?
No, each. Out the door, you're paying like $8 plus tax. Don't quote me on that though, but something like that.
It's pretty comfy.
It's not bad, bro. Way better than my Sparko. That's what I was saying in the video earlier. I was like, bro,
I don't remember what the Sparko would feel like.
it's over there in the corner, but it's like more bolstery. Like you sit hella tight. This, you can, like when you get out, you know how you used to have to pop out of the seat? Bro, you can literally just slide out of the seat, which is fire.
Yeah, my bride.
Your brids, your eBay brids.
My eBay brids.
Your eBay brids. It'd be like that.
Clap.
Now watch how you get out, bro. You just slide out, dog. Easy. Easy peasy.
Yeah, they're way better.
Facts. Corbeau seats, been in the game since '63. Like they were the first seats to get FIA certified for aftermarket seats.
Really?
Yeah, that's crazy. I didn't know that either. The history of Corbeau, baby.
Oh, you know, baby.
USA, 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 USA.
USA, 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 USA.
Mr. Sir Randall Hamilton himself approves, which doesn't mean anything, but it was cool, I guess. Thank you guys for watching this video. Huge thank you to Corbeau for working with me on this project of bringing Christina back to life. I now feel like I have the perfect Integra, hence the title of this video. You may feel indifferent, but what do you think about my Integra? Comment down below. I'm curious to hear what you have to think. If you would like to pick up your very own set of the FX1 Pro seat, I'll have a link down below to the seat itself, or if you want to check out all the other products and seats that Corbeau offers, there will be the link down in the description box below. Be sure to check them out, man. I really do think that like this is going to be a very, very dope partnership, man. It would be really cool to work with Corbeau. Like they've been in the game for a long time, and I didn't even know, bro. They were the first manufacturer to have FIA approved. They have some really nice rich history, man, which is dope, and I'm glad to somehow be a part of it. I don't know how, but you get what I mean. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, then by all means, brother, by all means, yeah, do that for me. That'd be greatly appreciated. I recently started up a Twitch, so if you guys want to follow the Twitch when I go live and all that stuff, I have like 4 live
streams, I guess. Link down below to the Twitch. Follow that up. And if I don't see you here, I will definitely see you over there. And I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.